It's gonna pull it all out. Woo! What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Natural Beauty TV, and today I am not going to be doing a hair tutorial. Today is going to be something different. I want to try this baby out. I want to see if this is worth the hype on the internet. It's been all over Facebook, Instagram, everybody's trying it, and I said, why not try it too and see if it works, you know. And again, if it's the first time on my channel, feel free to leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe and help a sister out, you know. And I am not gonna be doing that by myself. I'm gonna be doing it with my cousin, so we'll see if it works. Stay tuned. So you guys, this is my cousin, and we're gonna start. I'm gonna be pouring some in this cup for myself and some in this cup for her, and then she's camera shy, so she said. And then we're gonna be trying to see if it works. Okay. Oh yeah, you see that face? Give it to me, baby. Ew. Oh, yes, just like I want it.
I hope it don't rip my eyebrows off.
First it's gonna rip it up. Just have to be careful with it. On my eyelids because
me too. I'm thinking about
my eyelids is just
gross.
What? Oh Jesus, I can't with that, girl.
Oh my god, it's on my edges.
Alright, so we're done applying it onto our faces. As you can see, we look cute as hell. The cutest alive. I feel like going outside like that.
What?
Anyways, we're gonna wait until it dries, then we peel it off and see the magic. See the magic happening. You know what I'm saying. Alright, you guys, it's dry. I don't know how long that was.
Like a whole hour.
Yeah, so if you want it to dry faster, you have to apply like a thin layer on your face. If you put it too thick, it's gonna take longer to dry. So I literally had to stay in front of the fan and let it dry faster. If I didn't do that, it wouldn't have been dry now. So what we're gonna do now is peel it off, and it has to go upward. We're gonna have to find a piece and just peel it off upward and see what the magic is. Okay, I'm getting some. See?
Oh,
it hurts.
God damn it. And if you have some facial hair, oh my god, it's gonna help you out with it. You don't have to shave it. It's gonna pull it all out. Woo! Oh god.
this hurts. I'm crying.
Seriously guys, it really hurts. And make sure you don't put it on your baby hair. The little edges that you have, please don't put it on it because it's gonna pull it out. And your eyebrows too. So I don't know. Let me know what you see because I can't see nothing. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, so this is a close look on what our faces look like. I think it did work a little bit, especially around my nose. That's where I usually have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads. Not that much though, but it did work. So
It needs your skin soft, like very soft.
So anyways, if you guys want to buy this is not a sponsored video, I just wanted to do it. Just go to Walmart in the As Seen on TV area. That's where they have it. That's where I got mine from. So or you can get it online. So alright, you guys, that's all that I had for you guys today. So leave a thumbs up on the video if you liked it. Even if you didn't like it, you know, leave a little thumbs up on it. Help a sister out, like I said. Please. Anyways, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see some good ass hair tutorial and some beauty hacks. Please subscribe and you will not regret it. And thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.